Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
Go, go, go.
Okay, so look.
Yeah, show me.
You take it, reel it tight, pop, down with it, flip up.
I hope it's not tangled.
I got a fish.
I don't feel anything. Okay. Okay, a little bit heavier.
Is it?
Yeah. Fish, fish.
What's a fish? What's a fucking minnow?
Bring her here.
No, you're stuck to the other one.
Oh!
You're stuck to the other
Watch
one.
out, the other one's up. Baby.
Oh
Watch out
shit,
here.
that shows.
Okay.
Okay, no, just put your rod up.
Oh, it's fine. Bring that in. So see, these are not legal. Okay, wait.
The second we go in.
Okay.
I put it back out?
Yeah, put it back out. Anyone wanna
It's for your birthday, Anna.
fishy? Kissy?
No fucking.
That's the fish we're going for. The purple.
The purple, the shirts.
Yeah, 3 shirts purple.
Adam, go. Do what I do. What up?
Good then.
So pop it out, reel. Give it a pop, hit the nipple,
Go, go,
Up.
go, go, go.
and reel. Yeah, good.
Is it a fish?
You feel
Yeah, I
it?
think so. I gave another light one, but yeah. Yeah.
Whoop. The small one.
Same guy.
Same guy.
Show it to the, take it out. Adam, take it. Show it to the camera.
Why do you have 2 lures in that?
It's a 3 shirts.
There's 2 lures in
Adam,
there.
take it.
Hey, this
There's
is the
2
fish.
lures.
Yes,
in
because
there.
of the 3 shirts. Adam, take it.
This is the fish.
Oh, okay.
Don't worry,
It looks
just
like
go, show it to the camera.
It looks like a trout.
Oh.
What?
On the left.
Go, babe.
Yeah.
Is it heavy?
It looked big when I was fighting.
What's the rod back?
It's little, so you can just throw it in the boat.
It's a mini.
Just throw it in the boat.
Oh no, it's bigger than the other ones.
It's a mini.
Go put it in the net.
It's bigger than the other
You're
ones.
gonna get all the hooks.
I know. Okay, next is Tony.
How long does it have to be?
12, like 4.
They usually are much bigger than this, but today probably.
Calm down, guys. No, but babe, even last time we had
Yeah, we had a lot of little ones, but we did have big ones.
we had 2 big ones last time. Guys, at least we're not fucking skunk. It's like the first hour and we have how many? 3? I wouldn't complain.
There's bread now with Nutella, with butter. Or you dip it in olive oil and.
The bread? Yeah.
It's coming down. It's going for one.
Stat, that one. Wait, it was moving. Wait. Yeah, it's moving, that one.
You see the fish there?
Yeah.
I saw it moving. But you took 3 fucking business days to turn your head. Now you don't believe me.
Well, worst case, I'm gonna see it in distance when I really look at these things.
Oh. That one is going crazy.
It's stronger than anything.
No.
This is. It's recording.
It's a perch.
Hold on.
25 feet.
Perch.
Go on.
It's still on.
Yeah, baby!
I don't know how we're gonna do this now. You gotta hold the rod. Hold her. Go.
The Dipsy hit it. The Dipsy hit it. So much for you not liking Dipsies, huh, mate?
Okay, live well.
I don't know if it's big enough. I have to measure it.
Oh, directly on the line without the lead.
Oh! Oh! What the fuck's going on here?
There's a fucking huge fish at the bottom.
Yeah, the trout.
But give me that goddamn leader. Sir.
I don't understand. What happened to the leader of this one? Oh, go! Yeah, go. Real. I'll hit the nip. Keep going.
Is it recording this thing?
Yeah, babe, watch out.
Don't lose it again.
Yeah, I know. Come on, real. Go on, stick to the line. What line? Yeah.
Oh, and that's a big ass one.
Yeah, I can bring it to the left, maybe. A little more.
Go. That's a big one. That's a big one.
Okay. Let it go. You got it? Yeah.
And that's a keeper. That one is a keeper.
Yeah.
What do you have it on?
I don't know why it won't turn.
You have
Yeah, I
it
don't
on.
know. I don't know. Yep.
Little fucking tiny thing.
Oh, and he ain't small.
He's small.
I'm telling you, he is not small. He is not small. Holy fuck. Oh.
The trout.
Yes.
Adam, come and help us. Make sure she doesn't fall in.
No. Hey. No.
What am I doing?
There.
Stop.
Oh, wait.
Stop the motor. Fuck you! I got you, you motherfucker!
There's a lot of fish here, huh?
Okay. Oh my
I
god.
got it like
It was in that school of fish.
I know.
Yeah, huge.
Yeah, it's
Is he
big.
24 inches?
For sure.
I don't know.
Take the hook off his mouth first with the pliers.
What are pliers?
They should be in there already. Put them
Okay, I'm
there.
doing another turn. I'm going through that again.
Yeah, no problem. That was crazy. You see, this is why I like trolling. Yeah! Fuck yeah!
Shut up!
No!
Fuck.
I won so many fucking trout! Woo! He better be 24 inches.
Oh, that's 24 inches.
How the-
Are you fucking
How the fuck
serious?
do I grab this motherfucker right here, babe?
Yeah. Oh, look at how big he is.
You
So
got
you
me on
fucking
fish.
dropped him.
Wow.
Get rid of. Yeah, he's 24 mils. In the fucking live well you go. In the fucking. Oh shit.
Okay, put the line in.
She's eating.
Adam, put the line in.
Oh, Dad, show it to the camera, you fool.
Oh,
Too late.
no, it's not.
You slit his throat. And the battery's dead over here.
Battery's not dead.
Yeah, that beep 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 beep.
No, it's not.
No, it's still blinking.
Beep 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 beep.
Woo, baby! Look at her! Now you go to die.